Good morning students, I am Maushmi Prasad and I am creator of this channel Digital Generation. This channel is regarding chapter wise preparation for both ICSE and CBSE students. I hope you will get best knowledge and explanation from this channel. We can draw the structural formula, electron dot structure of all the compounds knowing the formula. Now it is seen that whether the hydrocarbon is ethane, ethene or ethyne, the valency of carbon is always 4 in each case. So now let's see what is alkyl group. What is alkyl group? When one hydrogen atom is removed from alkane, then it is known as alkyl group. Like CH3, C2H5, these are all alkyl group. The parent alkane is methane, CH4, whose one hydrogen is removed. Here also it is ethane, whose one hydrogen is removed. Now this free line denotes that there is one free electron present in alkyl group. Alkyl groups are denoted by the word R. And what is the general formula of alkyl group? The general formula of alkyl group is CnH2n plus 1. This is the general formula of alkyl group. Alkyl group are those groups from which one hydrogen atom is removed from alkane. Now we will come to another important point about cyclic hydrocarbons. What are cyclic hydrocarbons? The hydrocarbons in which the carbon atoms are arranged in a cycle or ring, it is known as cyclic hydrocarbons. Again, the cyclic hydrocarbons are of two types: saturated cyclic hydrocarbons and unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbons. So let's take cyclic saturated hydrocarbons. Cyclic saturated hydrocarbons. Saturated cyclic hydrocarbons are also known as cycloalkanes, and they have the general formula of CnH2n, similar to that of alkyl group. So the examples will be cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane, cyclohexane. All these will be examples of cycloalkanes. Now let's draw the structure of cyclopentane first. Cyclopentane. It is an cyclic hydrocarbon or cycloalkane. So what will be the formula of cyclopentane? CnH2n. We know pentane means 5. So C5, then H will be 10, double that of the carbon atom. C5H10 will be the molecular formula of cyclopentane. Now we will draw the structure of cyclopentane, whose formula will be C5H10. So there are 5 carbon atoms in cyclopentane. These will be fulfilled by hydrogen. So the carbon atoms are arranged in a cyclic or in a ring way, and the hydrogen atoms are attached to it. This is the structural formula of cyclopentane, containing 5 carbon atoms and 10 hydrogen atoms, C5H10. Now we will draw the electron dot structure of cyclopentane. There are 5 carbon atoms. This carbon atom gives 1 electron, here 1 and here 2. This is electron dot structure. This carbon atom also share 1 electron. This carbon atom will also share 1 electron. This side, and this carbon atom will also share 1 electron. This carbon atom will share 1 electron, and this carbon atom will also share 1 electron. This carbon atom will share 1 electron, and this carbon atom will share 1 electron. So how many valence electrons are left in this carbon? 2. Here also 2. Here also 2. Here also 2. And these 2 are drawn. Now there will be hydrogen atom. This will be the electron dot structure of cyclopentane. The carbon atom sharing 1 electron with this carbon and 1 electron to 2 hydrogen atom. In this way the electron structure is drawn. Again we will draw the structure of cyclohexane. Cyclohexane means C6H12. There are 6 carbon atom. C6H12. This is called cyclohexane because the carbon atoms are arranged in a ring and there are 6 carbon atoms, so the number of hydrogen atom will be 12. The formula is CnH2n. So now let's draw the structure of cyclohexane. This is the carbon atom. This 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 carbon atom. This carbon atom gives 1. This side also 1 and 2 are left. This carbon 2, 1, 1, 2 are left. 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 1, 1, 2 valence electrons are left. This is the electron dot structure of cyclohexane. Now we will draw the hydrogen. So how many hydrogen atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 hydrogen atom and 6 carbon atoms. It forms cyclohexane. This is the electron dot structure. Electron dot structure. You can draw the structure of cyclohexane also. C, 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 C. All single bond because it is alkane group. Hexane means alkane group, so single bond. This is cyclohexane containing 6 carbon atom and 12 hydrogen atom. So there is another type of cyclic hydrocarbon which is known as unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbon. These unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbons are aromatic compounds. Aromatic means having sweet smell. So all these unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbons have sweet smell of a fruit. These aromatic compounds will be studied in higher classes. The example of aromatic compound is benzene. Benzene is the first member of aromatic compound whose molecular formula is C6H6. It contains 3 carbon-carbon double bond and 3 carbon-carbon single bond alternately, and there are 6 carbon-hydrogen single bond. Now we will draw the structure of benzene. This is carbon. Now there will be double bond and single bond alternately. Again double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond. So there are 3 double bond and 3 single bond, and the number of hydrogen atom present will be 1 in each case. This is the structure of benzene. C6H6, carbon-carbon double bond 3 and carbon-carbon single bond 3. Now we will draw the electron dot structure of benzene also. This is carbon, this is carbon, 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 carbon. This will give 2 electrons, here 1 and here 1. This carbon will also give 2 electrons, here 1 and here 1. This carbon 1, here 2. This carbon will also give 2, here 1 and here 1. This carbon 1, 2 and here 1. This carbon also will give 2, here 1 and here 1. Now we will fulfill it. Hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. So there are 6 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here carbon carbon double bond because 4 electrons or 2 pairs of electron. Here single bond because only 2 electrons or 1 pair of electrons. Here 4 electrons, so double bond. Here 2 electrons, so single bond. Here again 4 electrons, so double bond. Here 2 electrons, so single bond. So this is the electron dot structure of benzene. In our next video, we will study about the nomenclature of organic compound. There are some important questions given in the PDF. So please click the link below and see the PDF for important MCQs and short questions. Thank you for watching my video, and if you find my video useful, please do like and share my video and subscribe my channel to get the latest update of my videos. And if you have any doubt regarding this topic, comment below. I will try to answer as early as possible. If you want to see more questions regarding this chapter, then please look at the PDF given below.